kaya feeling ng Masked Singer pag narinig niyang linyang yan? Mga Masked Singers, magpapakilala pa dito sa Masked Singer Pilipinas, The Unmaskable.
Sino kaya ang nasa likod ni Plantita Turner? Mass Universe! Miss Alona! Platinum artist Alona! She is the voice behind many, many hits, including Someone's Always Saying Goodbye.
Yes.
Na rendition ni Tony, of course, right?
Yeah.
Am I correct?
Yes, po.
Alona, first of all, thank you so much
Thank you
for
so
doing
much
this.
for having me here.
We hope you had fun.
Yes, I had fun.
Did you enjoy your
Yes, of
experience?
course. Nag-enjoy talaga ako. And wish ko lang talaga tumagal pa. Hindi ko pa nailabas lahat.
I know, I'm sure.
Anyway, but thank you so much.
Ito nga yung batch niyo yata yung pinaka nahirapan ang Judge Detectives at ng Mass Universe kung sino talaga ang kailangan magtanggal ng maskara. But your experience has been good so far.
Yes, yes. I had fun. Thank you.
Aliona, sobrang galing mo. Pero nahirapan kami kasi ang naririnig namin, Alanis Morissette eh. So,
and from how I
but-
remember Aliona's voice, it's really high but very, very deep, no?
It's very distinct.
Somehow, yes.
Someone's
You changed your
always
voice.
saying goodbye. I believe.
Yes,
Yan,
po.
di ba? Tama.
Yes.
Yeah.
You're continuing to write until now and
Yes, pa.
releasing
I'm planning to release a single soon.
Yun!
Ayun
Planning
naman
to
pala.
release a new single.
Nice.
Sana supportahan nyo. Thank you.
Susuportahan ng pamilyang Masked Singer yan. Promise namin
Of course,
sa iyo.
of course.
Maraming salamat. Once again, Aliona, palapakan natin. Dahil game na game ka dito sa pagsali, we are really looking forward na magkita pa namin ang mga performances mo without the mask and everything. Pero maraming salamat din sa ating Judge Detectives, sa inyo Mass Universe. Once again, give it up for Aliona!
Someone's always saying goodbye. I believe it hurts when we cry. Don't we know parting's ever so easy? And with all the achings inside, I believe some hearts don't survive. Trying hard to pretend that we're gonna be fine.
Aliona! Tanggalin na yan! 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 Sino? Saktong-sakto ang hula ng Judge Detectives! Ray PJ Abiliana! Maskulados, pakikuha lang ang maskara. Sir, medyo mabigat. Bigay na lang natin yan.
Galing!
Salamat ng marami sa pagpasok mo dito sa Masked Singer at sa iyong pasensya. Sir, kamusta naman ang experience mo?
It was a roller coaster ride. You know? Ang hirap nito for the many times dito sa karir ko ngayon ko lang na-encounter ito. Alam mo mga kasama, mga kaibigan, hindi biro ang magsuot ng mask and
Yes.
mag-disguise. Even pagdating mo pa lang sa studio, naka-disguise ka na.
Yes, naka-covered.
Walang pwedeng maka-identify sa'yo.
Correct.
So, wala, nakakumot ka na, you know.
Any last message para kay Sir Ray habang nandito pa siya?
Medyo nagulat ako kasi hindi ko alam, kumakanta ka pala. Ang ganda pala ng boses mo.
Secret kasi yan.
Well, ngayon alam na ng
Anyway,
lahat.
It's an opportunity, itong particular show nito.
Yes, sir.
At least in this particular show, I am able to showcase the hidden talent na
Correct.
hindi alam ng marami.
Sana nga mabigyan ka pa ng mas maraming... Oo, sana mas mabigyan ka pa ng maraming oportunidad para kumanta ulit. Oh.
Bagay!
Gustong-gusto ng mga tao eh.
Sobra!
Malamang Billy after this exposure in this show. And congratulations in this show. And good luck. More power.
Thank you very much, sir.
Magkakaroon ako surely ng mga offers and calls na kumanta sa mga events nila.
Ayan oh. Maraming salamat, Sir Ray.
Thank you.
Sir Ray PJ Abellana. Hindi naging biro ang pinagdaanan mo dito at hindi rin matatawarang talento ang ipinakita mo bago para sa amin. Pero dahil dyan, saludo po kami sa inyo, Sir Ray. Thank you so much. At
you, guys.
i-remind ko lang ha sa mga judge detectives natin, ang score nyo so far ay Popstar 0. Jadine, 3. So, 3-0 na. Arthur, sinabi mo kanina, ang game plan mo is humility. Kung ako sa'yo, baguhin mo na yan. Magmayabang ka na sa susunod, okay? Once again, let's give it up for Ray PJ Abellana!
Thank you, Billy. Winds of change are always blowing.
Wow.
And every time I try to stay, the winds of change continue blowing, and they just carry me away to all the girls that we've loved before, who travel in and out our doors. We're glad they came along. We dedicate this song to all the girls we've loved before.
Ray PJ Abellana!
Abangan sa Mass Singer Pilipinas. Queen of the Night talaga ang Mass Singer celebrities pag nagtanggal na ng maskara at